Open the App Store or Play Store depending on your mobile phone. In the search bar, type in CAREL, then tap the search button. You will see an app called Applica. Tap to install. Tap the Bluetooth option to select. The app will display your devices. Tap on the device ID you wish to connect to. This will start the connection and installation processes. Once installation is completed, tap and choose the OEM option. Type in 44 when the app asks you for a password, then tap the OK button. After the app starts, tap the menu button located at the top left-hand corner. Then tap and select Parameter List. When the next screen refreshes, type AF in the search bar. Tap and select the AF option. Make sure this is set at -10 degrees Celsius. If it is not, tap the temperature number and manually enter the -10 degrees Celsius and tap the OK button. Tap the menu button at the top left-hand corner, then tap on Home to return to home screen. You must tap the Save button at the top right-hand corner. When the Save window appears, tap the OK button. You will now need to disconnect by tapping on the menu button again. Tap the Disconnect and Yes to exit. Your appliance will now return to normal operation with a new frost protection alarm threshold.